Tucked away in the hilly heart of North Bengal lies a small village. Its name is Kolakham. Far from the noise of the city, the chaos of machines, and the mechanical rush of daily life, Kolakham feels like a hidden heaven of peace. Once you come here, your heart never wants to leave. Kolakham is located just 6 kilometers from Lava in the Darjeeling district. It is about 30 kilometers from Kalimpong and is easily accessible by car from New Jalpaiguri or Siliguri. This village lies right at the edge of the Neora Valley National Park, where forest, mountains, and clouds come together to create a unique natural harmony. Surrounded by forests of pine, oak, and rhododendrons, you can stand by your window and watch clouds rushing in from the mountains. When the morning sun hits the hills, it feels as if the whole world is wrapped in a golden veil of light. Kolakham is a paradise for bird watchers. Here, you can spot black eagles, scarlet minivets, Himalayan monals, green magpies, and many other rare species. You may also encounter gores, red pandas, and even tigers, whose presence has been recorded deep within the Neora Valley jungle. For accommodation, Kolakham offers several charming homestays and eco-resorts. Places like Kolkham Retreat and Neora Valley Jungle Camp offer the joy of living close to nature. The hospitality and warm smiles of the local people truly touch your heart. Trekking from Kolakham to Rishop or Lava is very popular. While walking along the hilly trails, you'll come across deep valleys, waterfalls, and distant views of the snow-clad Kanchenjunga. For those who love hiking through nature, this route offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The people of Kolakham are mostly of Lepcha and Nepali origin. Their lifestyle is peaceful, simple, and deeply in tune with nature. Local food, attire, and songs all carry the distinct aroma of hill culture. The ideal time to visit Kolakham is from October to April. During this period, the weather remains clear, the play of clouds and mist is visible, and bird sightings are frequent. It's best to avoid the monsoon season when the roads become slippery and difficult. And don't forget to pack warm clothes, a camera, and binoculars. You can reach Kolakham by hiring a car from New Jalpaiguri, NJP, railway station or Bagdogra airport via Lava. Shared jeeps are available up to Lava, but it's best to book a private vehicle for the final stretch to Kolakham. In today's exhausting urban life, we all need a little nature, a little solitude, and a few silent moments. Kolakham offers us that heaven of peace. Once you visit, you realize how easy it is to find yourself in the heart of nature. Come, lose yourself in the land of Kolakham's silent clouds,